in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stevenson County in northwest Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Freeport and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, loosened out buildings. Locations impacted include Freeport, German Valley, Cedarville, Rydot, Dakota, Rock City, Davis, Lake Somerset, Oakdale Nature Preserve, Alberta Southport, Damascus, Scioto Mills, Red Oak, Rydot Corners, MC Connell, Buena Vista, Winneshiek, Dakota Dorning Airport, Orangeville, and Aneco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a summary of watches, warning.